How to download videos from Telegram on Android. This tutorial shows you how to save any video from Telegram directly to your gallery. First, open Telegram on your Android device and go to the chat that contains the video you want to download. After that, scroll through the chat and find the video you want to save. From there, tap on the video to open and expand it in full screen. At this point, once the video is fully expanded, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. In the next step, a small menu will appear with a few options. Look for Save to Gallery and tap on it. Following this, the video will immediately begin saving to your device gallery. Once done, depending on the size of the video, it may take a few seconds to fully download. Make sure your internet connection stays stable during this time. From here, once the download is complete, open your gallery app to confirm the video has been saved successfully. Finally, the video will now be available in your gallery at any time, even without an internet connection, and you can share it to any platform you like. And that's it. If this Telegram guide helped you download a video to your gallery, give it a like, subscribe for more Telegram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.